topic is anaphase of mitosis. We have already learned about earlier two phases, that is prophase and metaphase. First phase of mitosis is prophase. Next, metaphase. And after metaphase, the next phase is anaphase. It is the shortest phase of mitosis. Anaphase, shortest phase. In this phase, chromosome is split into two chromatids. Recall the structure of chromosome in metaphase. Chromosome में क्या होता है metaphase में? वो इक्वेटर पे अरेंज रहता है. क्रोमोसोम अरेंज रहता है इक्वेटर पे इस तरह से, which is known as metaphasic plate. Chromosome is attached, arranged on equator, and it is known as metaphase. And it is attached through spindle at centrosome or centriole. This is the structure of chromosome at metaphase stage. During anaphase, this chromosome is split into two chromatids or daughter or sister chromosome. Chromosome is split into two chromatids. अलग अलग हो जाता है, split हो जाता है. These are split into two chromatids, which is known as sister chromatids. Now in anaphase, it is known as daughter chromosome. Daughter chromosome. ये जो दो डॉटर क्रोमोसोम अलग स्प्लिट हुए हैं, ये स्पिंडल से अटैच है, तो ये पीछे की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होंगे, अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड्स पोल होंगे, पोल की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होंगे. देन इन मेटाफेज ये वी शेप स्ट्रक्चर क्रोमोसोम का कुछ ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर बन जाएगा. क्रोमोसोम्स क्रोमैटिड्स आर अटैच्ड एट सेंट्रोमियर और ये वी शेप स्ट्रक्चर बन जाएगा टुवर्ड्स पोल. सो इन एनाफेज stage is this type. These are centrosome, two centrosomes at opposite poles, जिससे स्पिंडल निकल रही है, स्पिंडल, और ये स्पिंडल से ऐसे करके क्रोमोसोम अटैच्ड है. These are डॉटर क्रोमोसोम्स. इस साइड भी वैसे ही होगा. दीज आर अटैच. वेरी रफ डायग्राम, ये समझने के लिए है. ये इस टाइप से अटैच रहेगा. सो ईच क्रोमोसोम arranged at the metaphase plate is split simultaneously. Arranged at metaphase plate is split simultaneously. साथ साथ split हो जाता है. Hence, two daughter chromosomes or daughter chromatids born. Two daughter chromatids produced. Chromatids. Now refer as daughter chromosome. These daughter chromatids now refer as daughter chromosome. Now refer as daughter chromosome. These daughter chromosomes are future nuclei. These are future daughter nuclei. These future daughter nuclei began their migration towards two opposite poles. begin their migration towards the two opposite poles. Each chromosome moves away from the equilateral plate, that is metaphase plate. Each chromosome move away from equilateral plate or metaphasic plate. Centromere of each chromosome remains directed towards the pole, and hence V-shaped structure formed. Arm are leading towards equator. Centromere of each chromosome remains directed towards the pole. And hence arms are leading towards equator. Hence arms are leading towards equator. So this type of structure is formed. Cytokinesis, which is division of cytoplasm, starts at late anaphase. It is also important that cytokinesis starts in late anaphase. This is all about anaphase. Next we will do telophase.